Today I'm going to show you how to make a shrimp fried diavolo. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need some dry white wine, some grape tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, flat leaf Italian parsley chopped, garlic cloves, crushed red pepper, some all-purpose flour, pasta of your choice, and some beautiful shrimp. In a heated saute pan, you're going to coat the bottom with some extra virgin olive oil. Lightly dredge the shrimp in the flour. Lightly saute for just about a minute. After about a minute, you want to turn your shrimp. Saute for a little bit. Add your grape tomatoes. And deglaze with some white wine. Add your chopped garlic cloves, crushed red pepper, and a little flat leaf parsley, and cook for a few more minutes. I've been cooking my pasta while the sauce has been reducing. Now it's a perfect al dente. You want to strain it real good. Add it to the sauce. Toss it a little bit. And we're ready to plate it up. And buon appetito.